Winters is a very special community. There's lots to experience here. And sitting out on the porch it puts you in touch with that. We like to sit out here and enjoy the summer concerts that the city puts on.
So when you walk out the front door and off this porch, and then you can walk about another 50 steps and you'll be at Pewter Creek Cafe. Go across another crosswalk and end up at the Buckhorn Steakhouse, and they have a nice lounge there. Or you can continue to the next building over, and that section there's a Mexican restaurant, Chuy's. There's a really nice restaurant and just very unique building inside, and called Preserves. And I highly recommend checking that out. Or you can go for Italian food at Carboni's. All of those locations are probably within 500 feet.
Less than a minute. And wine tasting and really nice interiors. It's just a great atmosphere to experience. So you have Turkovich Winery and Berryessa Gap Winery, and they're just steps, literally less than a minute from the house.
About a mile from here, up Highway 128, which is where the actual winery is for Berryessa, but there's also Berryessa Brewing, right?
Oh, that's a lot of fun.
That's a lot of fun.
They have an outdoor venue, it's covered, but an outdoor venue, and in certain times of the year, they bring in
entertainment. And the same thing over here, you go right across on the other side of the park there's the old bridge that crosses over Pewter Creek, and there's a venue over there. It's a tap house, and they also have entertainment and a restaurant, and the food's really good over there. And the entertainment, they've been bringing in some pretty good entertainment over there.
If you hop in your vehicle and go just about maybe 2 miles, you'll come to Lake Solano. And Lake Solano has a host of activities for you to experience there. You can fish, the only wildlife natural habitat trout for California. And then, of course, if you're into bird watching, it's a stopover. As birds fly south, we get all kinds of birds through here, and it's actually a go-to destination for bird watchers. If you like to hike, there's trails all around the lake. If you enjoy kayaking, there's numerous places to put down in the water, and it's quite a nice environment to kayak as well.
And then you'll go hit Lake Berryessa, which is approximately 9 miles, I think, from here to there. And it's a big lake. I think it's 22 miles long. So there's boating activities there.
We have quite a few farms in the area. Morgan's comes to mind. They grow just about everything there. Morgan's is a farm that is fun to experience. They've got some chickens and some goats and different things.
They make their own candy. They have incredible, I got to tell you, there is no better caramel corn. They make different types, but the caramel corn, there's no better caramel corn on the planet.
Winters is so friendly, and everybody smiles and actually say hello to you and look you in the eye. These are really nice, outgoing, friendly people. And then what came to us was, it's really all about the people. It really is. It's all about you and giving you something that you will treasure and that will become a lifetime memory, something you'll look back on and smile.